In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PartnerStack's marketing tools for affiliate programs and why this platform is a game changer for both beginners and experienced marketers. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or just looking to take your program to the next level, PartnerStack has all the features you need to grow your affiliate business effectively. Stick around because I'll also share how you can access PartnerStack for free with some exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out. PartnerStack offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to make affiliate marketing seamless. The first step is to understand the PartnerStack dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll immediately see the clean, user-friendly interface. From here, you can manage your partners, track affiliate performance, and access a variety of marketing resources, all in one place. The key to mastering PartnerStack is navigating these tools with ease. One of the first features you'll notice is the partner management section. This is where you can onboard affiliates, set up their commissions, and track their performance. The beauty of this system is how automated it is. No more manually tracking affiliate sales or worrying about commission accuracy. PartnerStack does all of that for you. Next up is the promotional toolkit, which is a standout feature for marketers looking to empower their affiliates. It offers pre-built banners, links, and email templates that your partners can easily use to promote your brand. The great thing about these tools is that they're customizable, so you can tweak them to match your brand's voice or target audience. PartnerStack helps ensure your affiliates have everything they need to succeed, which in turn helps you scale faster. Don't forget about PartnerStack's reporting and analytics tools. These allow you to track not just the performance of your affiliates, but also your overall program's effectiveness. You can dive deep into metrics like conversions, clicks, and the performance of specific affiliates. This level of insight is crucial for making data-driven decisions, optimizing your affiliate program, and ensuring you're getting the best ROI. Another impressive feature is the payment integration system. PartnerStack automates payouts, so you can say goodbye to manual calculations and the hassle of managing affiliate payments. It integrates with popular payment systems like PayPal and Stripe, and you can set up automatic payment schedules, making it easier for you and your affiliates to stay on track. This means fewer delays and less admin work on your part. In addition to these marketing tools, PartnerStack also offers a community and support system for both you and your affiliates. There's a built-in knowledge base, a support team ready to assist you, and even access to a network of other program managers and affiliates. This community aspect can be invaluable, especially if you're just starting out and need some guidance along the way. Now, here's the best part. PartnerStack allows you to try their software completely free from the first link below. Yes, you heard that right. You can access all of these marketing tools and start growing your affiliate program with no upfront cost. And when you sign up through this link, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial, giving you even more time to explore everything this platform has to offer. To recap, PartnerStack's marketing tools make affiliate management simpler and more efficient, offering automation, customizable resources, powerful analytics, and integrated payments, all in one platform. Whether you're starting an affiliate program from scratch or looking to optimize your existing one, PartnerStack gives you everything you need to succeed. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free trial and exclusive bonuses. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your affiliate marketing efforts with PartnerStack.